Okay, tell Mommy what you see.
The bucket?
What's this? Bucket?
Bucket.
What color is the bucket?
Pink.
Purple?
Purple.
Okay, what's this?
Fan.
Fan? Close.
Cold.
Let's turn the page.
Look at page.
Okay, what do you see? Who do you see?
Diode.
Mm-hmm.
Pie. Goofy. Daisy. Mickey. Polio. Mickey What?
Good job. Do you see a fish?
I see the fish.
Okay. Do you see a cactus?
Yeah, I see somebody.
Do you see a birdie?
I see a boy.
Okay.
1,
Do-
2, 3.
Good job. Do you see a tree?
I see T.
Can you count how many trees you see?
1, 2, 3, 9.
Cool.
I see the fish. I see balloon. I
Balloon.
see balloon. I turn page.
On the page? Okay, what do you see?
Mickey and Mickey
Mhm.
and Mickey.
Who else?
Ding, Papa.
Do you see something red?
Ball. Red.
Cool. What's green?
Count.
Oh, crowns. Yep, those are crowns. Stickers.
White.
What else? Scissors?
Paper.
Paper. Yeah. Do you see a pair of shoes? What is that?
The cashews.
What about over here? Shoes? What color?
I did go page.
Turn the page. Okay. All right.
I go page.
Sure. You like Mickey Mouse?
Daisy, Goofy, Ball, Polio, Mickey, Diode, Mickey.
Good job.